Hi everyone, I'm back and I'm very excited today. I have got a package here that just got delivered. So let's go ahead and open it. So basically I got messaged from this company online and they were like, we have some headsets we'd like you to review. And I was like, okay, fine, why not? So they just came through now and yeah. Let's have a look how they are. Oh wow, look at that box. That is very nice. So they're gaming headsets for use with the PS4, but I believe they can be used with Xbox and other things as well. And also, they gave me the headset for free, but I'm not getting paid anything from the company. I'll put a link for them of Amazon, but if you buy from the link, I'm not getting any money from it or anything. So yeah, oh my god, these are massive. Look at that. They're huge. That is unbelievable. I did not expect them to be this big. Like, wow. Okay, and we have wires. Lots of wires. So yeah, let's open these wires, but these are massive. Like the current ones I use, they have like a single earphone on the headphones and a mic. They're very simple, very cheap. These are also quite cheap, but for what you get for the money you pay for these, it looks incredible. I've not used them yet. Obviously I'm going to use them and let you know how they are. But these I think are around £20 or even sometimes less than that. They have promotions going on quite often. So yeah, I'm not even sure what all these wires are for. Okay, so we have the mic control here, on off button, and volume control as you would expect. And we have wires. We have 3 wires on here. Okay, this is a USB. Not sure what it does. I'll find out. And then there's 2 sockets here. One is the red one for the mic. This one's for the mic, red one, and green one for the actual headphones. And before you say that's a bad idea, they do come with the jack splitter. So if you're used, so they can be used on any device. I think they can also be used on mobile. Let me just have a look on the package what it says. Doesn't say. Do they have any? No instruction booklet. But yeah, they have the picture of any. They can be used on Xbox, PlayStation, mobile, obviously PC as well for PC gaming. Let's try them on. But yeah, they're very flexible, and yeah, I'm going to try them out. I think they'll be quite comfortable to wear. Look at this there. So I think they can be worn by anyone because look how flexible they are. And they feel very solid as well. They don't feel like cheap. Okay, so let's see. Okay, they feel very comfortable but a bit loose at the moment. I just need to work out how to make them tighter. I'm sure there's a way. And then yeah, and then you have a little mic. I can't hear myself very well at the moment, so I might be talking a little bit louder because they are noise cancelling headphones and I cannot find the mic now. It's here somewhere. Oh, here it is. I'm wearing them the wrong way around if I want to use the mic. So let's wear them the right way around. Okay, yeah, I need to adjust these to fit me properly because they're very loose at the moment. But yeah, the mic is very flexible also, and it goes up. You can make it fit here. Yeah, there you go. And then when you want to talk to your friends, just put it back down. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the headphones for a while, and then I'll come back and we can do a full review on these headphones. And I'm expecting very good things from these. But yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Hi, I'm back. As you can tell, I look completely different in this half of the video. It's taken quite some time to do this. It wasn't meant to, but there is a good point about that. I've had a lot of time spent with these headphones that we unboxed. So basically, let's start from the beginning. As it says, the company's name there, EasySMX. They are an amazing company. So what happened? When I got these headphones, the second or third day after receiving them, they emailed me saying, if you have any problems, give us an email and we'll help you out. And to be honest, I did have some problems. I think it was my fault. So basically, give me 1 second. Basically, to connect to the PlayStation, you need this, because they're basically built for like PC, but they give you an adapter anyway to connect to the PlayStation. This part goes into the controller and this into the different sockets. And here we have the green one, which is for the headphones, and I had it in like this, which is not right. I even had the mic in like this, and I could hear with them when I first started using them, and then I realized that they actually go click in like this. And I done that and they were working fine. The headphones were working fine, but my mic wasn't working. The PlayStation wouldn't recognize it. So I messaged the company, I messaged the representative that originally told me about them. And they were like, yeah, plug them in properly, make sure they're working. And if they don't work, you can always send them back. And I was looking to send them back originally. And then I left them for a couple of days. I came back to them, turned on the PlayStation, and it recognized the mic. I'm not sure how that happened, because before I had it, even after I put it in like this properly, it wasn't recognizing the mic. And I left it for a day or so and came back and it was working fine. So they work fine, and now every time I plug them in, there's no problem. It recognizes the mic perfectly well. And they do fit very well. And I've used them for like hours and hours now, and they're quite comfortable. This padding is really good. The sound quality is very good. I remember I was playing Far Cry 4 and the guns actually sound quite good, and all the other sounds are quite good as well, and it is very noise cancelling and very loud. So if you have this pumped up to full volume and you've got them on, you're not going to hear what's going on around you. And even without them, without any sound here, I have to talk quite loud to hear myself, because they are noise cancelling headphones. But as I said, the mic works fine. There's nothing wrong with the mic. When I'm talking to my friends on PlayStation, they can hear me perfectly fine. And yeah, overall, these headphones are really good, and for how much you're paying for them, it's pretty amazing what you're getting. As I said, you can use them on Xbox, PlayStation and PC. If you use them on PC, you can stick in this and I think lights come on. I haven't actually even bothered to see what kind of lights come on, but yeah, they are very good headphones. This is the box. And yeah, this is like the first set of headphones I've reviewed, and these are like my main headphones now. I don't even use my other ones. They're in the box now, actually. So yeah, if there's any other like headsets you use or think I should get and review, let me know in the comments. Also, the link for these headsets is in the description of the video, but I'm not getting paid if you buy them from the link. It's just not got nothing to do with me getting paid, so I'm just putting that link there just so if you want to check them out, you can check them out. They have quite good reviews on Amazon also. But yeah, these are very good headphones, and they've not broken or not had any issues. And when I first got them, I tried to adjust them like this, but they don't move like this. The band adjusts to your head. So like this, it can adjust to like any head size. So yeah, they're very good headphones, and I will continue using them. So yeah, that's my views on it and my review on it. I had some problems in the beginning, but it's sorted out now, and they work really well, and I really enjoy using them. I'm gonna keep using them until I get maybe another new set of headphones. So yeah, so please give this video a like, share it with other people, with other gamers you know that are looking for headphones. As I said, these are quite cheap and quite good value for money. So yeah, and I'll have some new videos uploaded very soon after this one. So yeah, I'll see you soon in my usual vlogs. Thank you, bye.